Growing your own peppers can be a rewarding and flavorful experience. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner with a green thumb, there's something special about cultivating these colorful and delicious veggies right in your own backyard or on your balcony. In this friendly guide, we'll take you through the journey of growing peppers, step by step, from seed to harvest. Start your pepper seeds indoors in seed trays or small pots filled with seed starting mix. Plant the seeds about an inch deep. Keep the soil consistently moist and maintain a temperature of around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal germination. Instead of tossing out those old containers or poly bags that you might have lying around, you can give them a second life by using them for gardening. These could be old buckets, pots, or even those plastic bags you get from the store. Peppers love their nutrients, and you can't go wrong with a mixture of 50% garden soil and 50% well-rotted manure or compost. Just make sure the manure or compost is fully decomposed to prevent accidentally giving your young plants a nitrogen overload. When it's time to transplant your pepper seedlings, dig a hole in the soil of the container or garden bed large enough to accommodate the root ball of the seedling. Gently remove the seedling from its original container, taking care not to damage the roots, and place it in the hole. Afterward, be sure to give it a good watering. The plastic bottle watering system is a great way to provide consistent moisture. You can control the flow of water by the number and size of holes you make in the bottle. This helps prevent overwatering or underwatering. Peppers thrive on sunlight, so give them plenty of it. If you're growing them indoors, consider using grow lights to ensure they get the light they need. Outdoors, choose a sunny spot that receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight each day, and your peppers will thank you with their vibrant growth. Apart from the initial soil mix, remember to periodically fertilize your pepper plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Compost and liquid fertilizer made from leaves, kitchen waste, and weeds are also excellent choices. These additions not only provide extra nutrients, but also improve the overall health of your soil. The time to harvest your peppers will vary depending on the variety and growing conditions, but it's always a moment to savor. Peppers are usually ready for picking when they reach their mature size and desired color. For instance, bell peppers typically start green and turn red, yellow, or orange as they ripen. You can harvest them green if you like. When you're ready to harvest, make sure to use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to cut the peppers from the plant, leaving a short stem attached. This practice helps prevent any damage to the plant. Here's a friendly reminder: keep harvesting regularly to encourage continuous fruit production. Overripe peppers left on the plant can divert energy away from the development of new fruit, and we wouldn't want that, would we? If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your gardening friends. And hey, do not forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. Thanks for joining us today, and happy gardening, everyone.